Hi sweet friend, I'm Sprout. Let's make a cozy little flower together. Grab your hook, we'll go slow and easy. I'm using crochet yarn and a 2mm hook. Start with the center color. Make a magic ring, soft and easy. Hook in and pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through both loops. 1 single crochet, so nice. Work 5 single crochets into the ring. Follow along gently, so relaxing. Pull the ring snug, cozy loop. Slip stitch to join the first stitch. Chain 1 to start the next round. Round 2, 2 single crochets in each stitch. Gently around, we're doing amazing. Keep stitches even, so soft and pretty. Slip stitch to join the round. Chain 1 to start. Round 3 now. 1 single crochet, then an increase. Repeat this 5 times around. Pull up a loop, see how pretty it is. Cut the yarn gently. Weave the tail to the back. Hook into the starting stitch. Switch to petal color. Chain 5 for the first petal. Find the back bump of the chain. Go back into each bump, pull up a loop. Take your time. Insert into the starting stitch and pull up a loop. Now you have 7 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through in pairs. Continue 2 by 2 until 1 loop remains. First row done, good job. Chain 1. Start the second row. Go back into the bumps, pull up loops. 6 loops this row. Yarn over, pull through 2 by 2, nice and easy. Eight loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through in pairs. Pull through 2 at a time, 7 times. Second row complete. Third row, same as second. Pull up loops 6 times. Last stitch, pull up loop. Yarn over, pull through pairs. 7 times total. Third row done, so lovely. Fourth row, same method. Go into each bump. 6 loops again. Yarn over, pull through pairs. Back to starting stitch. Pull through 2 by 2, 7 times, row done. Continue the same for row 5. Pull up loops in each bump. Go into next stitch. Pull through pairs 7 times. 6th row. Skip first bump. Go into next bumps. 5 loops. Yarn over, pull through pairs. Back to starting stitch. 2, 6 times. Slip stitch into each bump. Connect to first stitch. First petal done. Next stitch, slip stitch, chain 5 for second petal. Crochet just like the first one. All petals follow the same method. First petal shows you how. After all petals, slip stitch to join. Leave a long tail to sew later. Make 2 flower pieces total. Place them back to back. Sew through the inner stitches. one stitch at a time. Add a bit of fiberfill inside, sew each petal gently. After all sewn, weave a few back stitches. Your flower is ready, one stitch at a time.